Today we will cover how to buy shares of Sprouts Farmers Market Inc. Sprouts is a grocery chain focused on fresh and natural foods, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SFM. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker SFM to find the stock. Select the Sprouts Farmers Market Inc. listing to ensure you have the correct company. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movements. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker SFM to confirm this is the right asset. Click or tap, buy or trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose whether to buy whole shares or a fractional position if available. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will usually execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.